This video relates to the installation of an oven tower and its components based on a 600mm inbuilt oven. For an 890mm high oven with a grill, refer to the oven tower pack instruction for inclusions and exclusions. Starting with a one-drawer cabinet levelled and at the correct height, take the second one-drawer cabinet without legs attached and place it on the first cabinet, ensuring it's flush on all sides. Clamp it into position, pre-drill and fix using 20mm screws. The next step is to install pantry end panels. Set the end panel forward of the cabinets 20mm and clamp into position. Fix through the drawers into the end panel using the 28mm screws. You will also notice that the end panel protrudes past the back of the cabinet approximately 20mm as well. This is for the ventilation of the oven. Repeat this for the end panel on the other side of the unit. Once the end panels are in position and fixed, measure down from the top of the end panel 360mm and mark the edge of the end panels. As a tip, use masking tape on the front of the end panel to mark on to avoid damaging the surface. Then, with the help of overhead cabinet support stands to rest the cabinet on, line the top of the microwave box up with the mark line, making sure it's flush with the end panel. Clamp the microwave box to the end panel and fix using 28mm screws. Once the microwave box is in place and fixed, install the back support rail to the top of the unit. Attach L brackets to the edge of the support rail and then attach the support rail to the top of the end panels at the back. The support rail is then used to fix to the wall using 65mm screws for timber studs in 2 locations. Following this, mark a line back from the front of the end panel at 20mm, which will be used as a guide for where the slimline cabinet will sit. Position the slimline cabinet on top of the microwave box and then on this line, fix using 28mm screws. The final step is to install the elements of the oven tower pack. To start with, mark a line 20mm back from the front of the end panel on each side and attach the cleats through the pre-drilled holes using 28mm screws. Make sure the cleats are sitting on top of the one-drawer cabinet. Then, attach the heat deflectors to the end panels in front of the cleats and fix using the 14mm screws provided. Finally, attach the front panel by attaching 2 L brackets with 14mm screws to the front panel and then to the microwave box. Find the link below to assemble sink and appliance cutouts.